Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I have a scrapbook.com haul from you guys. I've been getting into so much trouble with scrapbook.com. They've been having amazing free gifts. Make sure that you guys check out my posts here on my channel. You can scroll over to my community tab. I believe they call it posts now. But that's where I post free gifts, good deals, like if there's like anything special going on. Make sure you guys are subscribed and you check that out so you don't miss out, because a lot of times I know that whatever I ordered or whatever's free is going to sell out quick. And I know by the time that I get it in my hands and haul it to you all, it's not going to be available. So I put it there so you guys can take advantage, okay? So there's two awesome free gifts going on right now. I'm going to link them down below. There's a cute little summer beach ball for free. And then there's a tape runner, my favorite pink tape runner from scrapbook.com. With a $50 purchase, you get it for free. So I have that link down below. And then make sure you guys check out my last scrapbook.com video, because I did play with, look at how pretty these came out. The Hooray bundle. It came with a stamp and die set with this snow cone. I had to have it. And I made these cards, and I have a tutorial here on my channel. So if you missed that, go check it out. Really simple tutorial. I love the way these came out. So guys, I've been getting into lots of trouble. This is one of the hauls that I just got in. I placed another order a couple of days ago. So, oh my God, I got to stay off there. But anyways, my husband, he got me some things, and I was like, let me share with you guys. I got 6 free gifts, guys. They've been killing it with the free gifts. So first free gift was a scrapbook.com 1/4 of an inch mint tape. Look at how thin it is. So I'm happy to have that in my stash. I also got for free this Pink and Main foilables, and it says that it contains 8 pre-printed toner graphic panels. So I'm not sure how this works. I think that you like run it in like what are those machines called? Why can't I think of what they're called right now? Laminating machines. And it's 8 panels. These are the ones that you get. So that was cool for free. You got this for free for spending like $20 or $30, I believe. And it's a hot air balloon, 4 pieces. Look at how cute this little like ruffle thing is. I love hot air balloon dies. You also got this Tim Holtz, it's called Gladys colorize, and it makes this cute flamingo. Who wouldn't want a free Tim Holtz, you know, Sizzix die? Come on now. So, and then last but not least, guys, I got 6 free gifts. Can you believe that? It was such a great like order. And there was already a bunch of things that I had my eyes on, and they add up. So I already knew I was going to take advantage of all these. I love it when I get a bunch of free gifts like this. I also got this silicone mat. Guys, it's huge. Look at how big it is. It looks like it might be like 24 inches or something like that. I don't know. I'm going to link it down below. But it's a silicone mat, and it's black. And I think I'm going to cut this one up, like when I'm playing with my inks, so that they don't slide. So that was free. And then the last free gift, the 6th free gift, was this Flamazing Flamingos water-based colors. And it comes with 3. I wanted to open up. You got this for free for spending $20, I believe. Look at how beautiful. They're long. They're from Spectrum Noir, which is an amazing... Okay, so there's 3 different colors on one, you guys. So this one has meadow, bud green, and sea green. We're going to have to play with these. They have like a full collection with this Flamazing Flamingos. So check out the other products from Crafter's Companion. And then we have this Aqua, which has evergreen, aquamarine, and teal. And then this one, okay, that's the name of it, Aqua. This one has peach, rose pink, and crimson. So I love that they have 3 colors in one. That's cool. Okay, so they do have the 9 colors. I was wondering, like, how is it 9 colors with 3? So that's cool. Those are all my free gifts. Now let's get down to business. Let me show you guys what I picked up and what I will be playing with soon. Guys, I spend my money on this stuff, so I have to play with it. That's why I've been trying to make tutorials for you guys. That's why I played with I made those cards and stuff, so I have to use the stuff. All right. I picked up this Lunar Paste from Simon Hurley. It looked like such a beautiful color. It's one of his newest colors. And you know I had to grab the pink. Come on. Let me see if I can open it. I wanted to get some more of those brushes that I told you guys. They're actually restocked. Somebody sold them out. There was 2 left last one, and I was like, I need to get them. And somebody beat me to the punch. So, I don't know. They got some good free gifts going on right now, but I really don't want to make another purchase. Okay. Look at how pretty. It is so gorgeous. I gotta use my bow stencil with this. Okay. I've been doing like coloring, guys. I don't know if you've noticed. Make sure you guys check out my coloring videos. But I would like to, you know, put some of this on my coloring pages. I think that would be cool. Okay, next I grabbed this mini bow 3D wax seal stamp from Altenew. I hope I'm saying that right. Altenew. Hey, I was about to say, where'd it go? Oh my God, it's super teeny tiny, you guys. I was not expecting it to be this little. Look at how cute that is. So adorable. I'm gonna lose this. I did not know they make them this tiny. That is so cute. I think that's the smallest one I have. Okay. So cute. Love the little packaging. They have a lot of wax sealing things, guys, if you're interested in getting them. And then I picked up some stuff from Papertrey Ink. Papertrey Ink came out with this new release, and I had to grab some of the things. They also have some cowboy themed things, guys, so make sure you guys check it out. I picked up this set here. It is Into the Blooms, the Lemon Blossom. And I love making lemon themed things. Well, I love, you know, purchasing the dyes and stuff. I have yet to make a few things. I think I did pink lemonade once for Tiffany's challenge that she had going on. But I love this, guys. It comes with the flowers as well. And I always love Papertrey Ink's packaging. They have really cute packaging. So I grabbed that. You get the flowers and then all the pieces to make that. And then I had to have this. Now, I do have if you're into lemonade and all that stuff, check out Scrap Diva Designs. She had a release a few years ago of some beautiful lemonade and pictures and stuff. But I wanted this one because it came with a stamp set and it was smaller. It's a different size. Look at how beautiful this packaging is, guys. We are going to have to play with this on a live. So you get the picture, right? And you get all the pieces to put like the top of the picture, the lemonade, you can make it or pink lemonade or yellow for lemonade. The straw, you get the stripes to put on the straw. So many pieces, even the ice cubes, you guys. And then let's see what's on the other side. So it shows you everything that you get here. And then you also get all these pieces to do the lemons, the sliced lemons, the little dots on there. This is gonna be so much fun. You're my main squeeze. Life's lemons are no match for a friendship as sweet as ours. Oh, that's cute. You're simply the zest. So I love getting Papertrey Ink stuff. I rarely get things, but some things I just have to have. And like I said, check out that cowboy bundle because they got some really cute dyes to add on to the Scrap Diva cowboy themed stuff that we have already. All right, let me get this in here. I love their packaging. And then, of course, I had to get the coordinating die. Hold on, guys. I got to get this in here nice. Cannot mess up this beautiful packaging. Look at the little Velcro and everything. I love it. And then we have the coordinating die sets for that stamp. Okay, to cut all that out. And then I had to get the stencil. Yes, it's so cute. This is what the stencil is going to look like put together. So it's going to have the florals and the lemons. And I think this was a really good price. I had to have it. I'm so glad that I grabbed it. I wasn't sure if I grabbed it or not. Couldn't remember. So that is the new release from Papertrey Ink. I got it from scrapbook.com, guys. And like I said, it was an amazing deal because I got those 6 free gifts. And I think I used a 10% off coupon if I'm not mistaken. And then I also grabbed this. I've been having this in my cart for some time already. And Waffle Flower came out with this like sewing theme release, and it's sold out so quick, you guys. There's another one that I have on my list, and I had to have this. Thanks to Scrap Diva, because she had that sewing stuff, and I got obsessed. I'm like, oh, I need more sewing things. So I grabbed this. Look at how cute, you guys. It makes the scissors. You get the layering pieces for the scissors. It has a little pin cushion, you guys. And look at the little tiny pins. So cute. You can stick them in there. You get the measuring tape with all the layering pieces. The thread with the layering pieces. And there's even layering pieces for these little pins. That is so cute. And then some of these, like, you know, little threads. So cute, guys. So I do have another one that I'm waiting to restock. I don't know about you guys, but like I kind of get obsessed with some things. You know, like I have so much fun with the sewing things that, like, when I see other things, I'm like, oh, I got to add that to the collection. Let me know if you're like that down below. And I think that's it. That's everything that I grabbed from scrapbook.com for this order, you guys. I do have another one coming in. I will have everything linked down below for you all. If anything is sold out, make sure you sign up for notifications because they are awesome at notifying you when something becomes back available, okay? I even sign up for the text messages because I'm quicker to see a text than an email. So that's it, guys. Let me know what you guys want to see me play with first. I think I really want to do the lemons, you guys. But let me know. Again, this was such a great deal because I already had the stuff in my cart. I wanted, you guys know, my cart stays ready, okay? I have things in my cart that I be waiting for some good free gifts to go ahead and make my purchase and get my free gifts and get my money's worth. So yeah, guys, they sell so many different brands. Like as you see, Waffle, what is it called again? Waffle Flower? Waffle Flower, a Papertrey Ink, Lunar Paste from Ranger, Altenew, so many different things that you can get from other sites. But I love shopping with scrapbook.com because I get all those free gifts, guys. Come on, 6 free gifts. Like, I just really can't believe that this was such a great order for me. All right, I love you guys. Leave me a comment down below and I will catch you all in the next video. Bye.